Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I'm making kung pao chicken, but a little bit healthier and a lot faster. So if you want that kung pao flavor without all the extra steps and calories and you're feeling a little healthier, this is the recipe for you. Detailed ingredients are in the description box, and at the end of the video be sure to check them out. We'll need about 250 to 350 of boneless breasts of chicken cut into cubes. To that, we're going to add in a heaped tablespoon of finely diced onions, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a heaped teaspoon of finely diced garlic or garlic paste, and give them all a mix. Add in 3 drops of fish sauce and a drizzle of sesame oil and a sprinkle of cornstarch flour, about a teaspoon. Add in black pepper and salt to your own taste and mix. The corn flour should make the chicken seem a bit more steaky and tacky, and that's what we want. Cover and let it marinate for at least 20 minutes while we start on our sauce. In a bowl, cut up some dried chilies, and if you want to decrease the spice of the chilies because you just can't handle it, set most of the chili seeds aside and you should be fine, you should be okay. Pour some boiling water on them in order to infuse the water with the chili taste and to rehydrate the chilies. This is about half a cup of water. Then add in about a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 drops of fish sauce, and a drizzle of sesame oil, several splashes of light soy sauce or regular soy sauce, it doesn't matter, and mix everything. We're also going to add in some cornstarch flour here so that the sauce thickens as soon as it hits the hot pan. Don't forget to taste this sauce. If it's too salty or it's too concentrated, add in a bit of water. And if it's not salty enough or not concentrated enough, add in some more oyster sauce or some more light soy sauce. In a hot pan or wok, drizzle some sesame oil and start toasting peanuts. You can chop them up to be smaller if you prefer, but I was lazy and I just tossed them in as is. Then remove and add in the chicken, and in order to get the chicken to really sear and brown, I will not be turning it over in the wok just yet. I'll leave it on one side until it starts to brown, and then I'm going to start flipping it over. Side note, don't do what I did. Do not cover the chicken. That traps in the moisture, which delays the browning of the chicken. Also, as you can see, I've made myself some noodles to enjoy with my kung pao chicken because I didn't feel like eating it with rice today, but someone else did, so I still made rice in the rice cooker on the side. Once the chicken is almost done, I'll add in the peanuts and I'll add in the sauce. And if your sauce isn't as thick as you want it to be, just make a quick cornstarch flour slurry and add it in and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. But once the chicken is done, the dish is pretty much done and you can start serving. You can eat it with plain white rice, vegetable fried rice, or like me, you can eat it with stir-fried noodles. I love to make this at home because all the ones I seem to order from restaurants are either just way too greasy and oily or way too spicy or don't have enough flavor in them. But this way I have control over everything. I can get the spiciness that I like, and I can modify the saltiness and the oiliness. That way I'm not eating horribly greasy food and then feeling horrible afterwards. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe, and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!